Bonjour, welcome to a new video. It's lovely weather outside. I think spring has finally sprung in the Netherlands. I was thinking to, again, get everything out of this closet, all my winter stuff out of this closet and get all my spring and summery wardrobe inside. So I think we should just get it started. Ha! I'm just joking. First a cup of tea and then let's get it started. Ha! I mean, it's on repeat in my mind. Decided that I'm going to put these on hangers. This one used to be my mom's and I love it, and this one is secondhand as well, but the problem is with these fabrics that they slide off of the other clothes and they just, you know, it's going to become a complete mess, and that just annoys me. So I always have my basics right here. It's black and it's white. I'll just put it on a big pile over here, and then this one also is going to go on a hanger. I am going to get all my summery stuff and get it in here. I would love to wear a little bit more of the dresses that I have. Normally they're in the other wardrobe, but I'm thinking maybe I can change some outfits out and just put them in here. And let's see if that's going to work. It's like a lot. a lot. Apparently I have to dust again. I'm just really not in the mood to do it, but let's just do it because I don't want my clothes to get all filthy. So, here we go. Tot ziens. Apparently to Marie Kondo I have to do it differently. I said just goodbye and I threw it on the floor. I'm very sorry. Thank you and goodbye. Let's proceed. The only thing is, am I going to put these on hangers as well? But in that case, I don't have a rail here. I only have these cupboards, shelves. But otherwise, they probably will crease. Such as this one. This one is terribly creased. I have somewhat of a steaming cycle that I can put it in, and then probably if I just hang it outside, it will look much better. So that's what I'm going to do with this one, because I love this one, especially when it's really, really hot outside. This is perfect. What would you do with dresses? Just hang them all? Or roll them up like this so they won't crease, just like I would do when I'm traveling. So that's a possibility, but then in that case I have to roll them all up and then in the end put them in a pile again. So I don't think that will work. What do you recommend? Let me know. This is so warm right now.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes
I think right now it's really hard to see because I changed the the curtains from downstairs to upstairs, but right now I can see that for the visuality of this video you can't really see that much, but just please bear with me. Let's just say that everything's up here, just believe me, and I just have to get everything out. And then afterwards I have to fill this one up with my winter clothes. So these are trousers, you know, pants and I think t-shirts. So this is like a tweed skirt. Lovely. You've seen me wearing it, I guess, in my other video. I'll link it. But that's not going to work for summer. So. I also love this skirt. I think it's really pretty. It's just, it also gives me like, you know, autumn vibes and such, so I don't think I will be wearing this much this summer. Plus I have lots and lots of other skirts and dresses to wear during summer and springtime. So I have this skirt which I like, it's lovely. These are shorts, I'm going to use them as well. This is like a gala dress, so no. This is also for Christmas time, so no. Ah, this is a really lovely summer dress. Was it broken? Ah, my mum fixed it. She's the best. I have this dress for over 16 years, I think. It used to be fast fashion. I'm not going to throw things away just because they were fast fashion. I bought them in my time when I was fast fashion queen. I just want to wear them all until the last thread. I love this one as well. So I have black leather shorts and then I have some skirts in here. Maybe I should keep the skirts in here because I don't think it's going to work bringing them to the other wardrobe. I might change my mind. Okay, let's go. Last batch. Nicely organized, but and I think I've been busy for an hour now. That's what you get when you have a lot of clothes. I don't really want to downsize. I've just checked all my winter wardrobe and I've really worn every piece this winter. So I'm not going to downsize all my winter clothes. But yeah, let's help my husband as well. Let's do it. I've switched to something else, and also my husband helped me in getting all the winter clothes back to the other room, so he's helped me a lot. So this is the end result. It's all, you know, ready for spring and summer. I've got my pants over there, I've got my dresses over here, I've got my skirts and shorts over here. I do have like black and white basic t-shirts and such on the left. I've got some sweaters over here. These are my colorful t-shirts, but also like the strappy tops. They have to be on top of the pile, otherwise the pile will fall. I'm actually thinking, because I know that if I put them on top of the pile, at first it really looks really nice, but it will not work practically. So perhaps it's better to make just one separate pile just for the strappy tops. More tops over here, and then tops with long sleeves on the left. So yeah, I'm really happy with the end result. I hope you really like this video. See you soon again, and don't forget to like this video, it helps a lot. Thank you, bye!